Great to be here. Thanks for inviting me. So my name's Nick, and I've been in the corporate IT and finance space for about 30 years now. And what I've mainly done is had the role of project manager for big ERP and business intelligence implementations. So people who don't know this area, ERP is a software system where a big corporation integrates usually its finance with HR, with logistics, with production. And that's one single system that becomes one golden version of the truth. It really simplifies their management of the data and the processes that they have in those areas. And business intelligence is basically more about give me reports on my business, what happened this quarter, what happened in this region, on that continent, with this customer group, etc. So these projects require a lot of preparation. They usually take minimum 1 year, sometimes more years. The largest project that I've been on had a budget of 300 million Canadian dollars, which gives you an idea of the size of what this is like. And there's various complexities that you have to negotiate, which is, first of all, on the user side, you have to understand what the business wants, but you also have to help them express what they want, because sometimes they're not clear for themselves, or sometimes there's misalignment. For example, marketing could be wanting one thing, but production can be wanting another thing, and you have to be there and help them find one common truth. And on the other hand, of course, there's the technological challenges of these systems are really huge, very complex. It takes a lot of training to know what they're doing and all the possibilities. So you have to help people to get trained. You have to set it up right. You have to test it right. There's a lot of data cleaning that you have to do. So there's a lot of factors that come together into making that a success. For me, those projects taught me that the core of such projects is people and processes. So sometimes it's misunderstood that companies want to improve their situation and they buy a $10 million tool, and I can virtually guarantee that's going to fail if you see that as a solution, because the solution is you first have to simplify the way you work, and you mostly have to align various departments on what they need and come to a common understanding of this is the way forward. And that is, for me, 75% of the problem. And that's something that I've been able to use in my current startup as well, where I totally do not see the software as the solution. I see it as a supporting factor in getting to a solution. So when we talk about automating a martial arts club's administration, yes, of course, the software will help you do that, but there's a lot of conversation that precedes it in understanding how exactly do you want your administration to be, what exactly is your pain point, and what exactly is the point that you want to take your club to. Various clubs have various sizes. They live in different regions. Some are in the city, some are rural. There are various challenges that they face, and it's not a good idea to assume that everyone has the same problem. So every club has a different problem, which is why that listening and that optimization is so important. And then, of course, the software follows that, in the sense that the software has to be able to adapt to various situations. But my experience has been definitely very helpful in not jumping into solutioning too fast.